Can you imagine yourself as a welder? LTC's welding program introduces students to the physical properties of metals, welding techniques, and safety. You'll also have the opportunity to design and fabricate projects from blueprints. Eventually, you'll be welding like a pro on various materials, using multiple welding techniques you've learned along the way.
Here at the Technology Center, in the 3 short years that I've come here, there's been many different companies that have come asking the welding instructors for skilled welders, and that just makes me feel like it's best for my career, that I'm headed down the right path.
If you're planning on continuing your education at Midlands Technical College, you will be a step ahead and be exempt from certain courses having successfully completed LTC's welding program. Who wouldn't love that?